Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Arch, your host, and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video, I have some tons of news about WWE, about the today's SmackDown. So stay tuned. The video is gonna be very interesting because SummerSlam is nearby. Okay, so the first news that I'm going to start with is about the the two-time challenger. She will be challenging the two belts. So Asuka, we all know that she will be challenging Sasha Banks for the Raw Women's Championship, but today on SmackDown she won the Battle Royal among the three brands that's been scheduled by WWE. But there also Asuka wins and she also challenges Bayley for the SmackDown Women's Championship. So it's been very clear that though WWE has taken the belt from Asuka, but WWE has some great plans for her and she will be challenging. I think it's a great strategy to build up, to pump up the rivalry, because she will be challenging for the two belts, for the two championship, and that's a great news because WWE is also trying to push Asuka, even though I don't know whether she will win back both the championship, but it's definitely sure that maybe she will be winning one of the championship. And if that happens, we might get to see the long-awaited rivalry that we were waiting to see between Bayley and Sasha Banks. Even though Sasha Banks has also announced that she and Bayley will be defending their tag titles, women's tag team titles, in the Payback, which will be also happening on this month, that is on August. So great things that have been happening in WWE with the women's division. The women's division are also pumped up. The WWE is really trying hard. Okay, now moving on to the next news. The next news is about the new rivalry build-up that we have seen in today's SmackDown is Sheamus versus Big E. After the match between Big E and John Morrison, Sheamus has come and attacked with a broad kick to Big E. Both Big E and Sheamus are in a very positive mood right now, and WWE is building them up really well. WWE is pushing Sheamus, WWE is pushing Big E, so everything is going right for both of them. And if they two having a rivalry, and if that match happens in the upcoming SummerSlam, that will be a treat to watch. Both are hard-hitting superstars. Both are settling down with their career, because right now Sheamus is moved from Bard, Big E is moved from New Day, so they both want a standalone career right now. So let's see what happens, but this rivalry has definitely got a lot of meaning. Okay, now the next news is about the bald Braun Strowman, the new heel character, the new look of Braun Strowman that we have seen in today's main event of SmackDown. And the thing has been really interesting. WWE has turned Braun Strowman into heel. This will be a heel versus heel match for the Universal title at SummerSlam alongside Alexa Bliss. So the match has gonna be a very interesting, and the biggest thing is that their rivalry has been pumped up really well, which I really liked. But the main thing is that why Braun Strowman has been turned bald, why the Braun Strowman character has been turned heel. The main answer is that WWE is not getting that kind of a vibe, or not getting that kind of positive response when Braun Strowman was the face Universal title. But after Braun Strowman has also told that after he get out from the swamp, after Extreme Rules, this is his new look and he is ready for retribution. So it will be a monster Braun Strowman versus Fiend Bray Wyatt. Now we also don't know that today Braun Strowman has attacked Alexa Bliss. Instead of Fiend attacking Alexa Bliss, Braun Strowman has attacked Alexa Bliss. So that's a big twist on the turn. And also we also don't know that whose side Alexa Bliss will be. So this match is gonna be a very interesting one. Both the heel characters, both for the Universal title. A big thumbs up to WWE. Okay, now the last news and the latest news is that emotional Seth Rollins has told to WWE fans. Recently we have seen that WWE's NXT has going a bit down compared to AEW Dynamite. So AEW has been beating also Raw. It's being a good competition to both Raw and SmackDown. So Seth Rollins has requested fans that to be by their side. He got emotional, and he told that all the people who are right now working in WWE has been working hard. It's not about the superstar who are playing in ring, but the off-ring producers, the off-ring management team, referees, even Vince McMahon also is giving really hard to make WWE good in this pandemic and COVID situation. They know that the situation has been really tough, but Seth Rollins has told that everyone is doing their best, even that is a male superstar, there's a female superstar, everyone is trying to give the best and try to entertain us, the audience. And if we audience really criticize, then I think there is no hope that they will perform. So Seth Rollins really got emotional and he told WWE fans to stay by their side. They will be working hard, and this if the fans motivates them, this will definitely give them a big relief to work more and more harder. Though the rating is going down, though everything is not going in a proper plan, but WWE is trying really well. So this is a pledge from Seth Rollins. I think as a fan, I would also like to say that we also should support WWE along with AEW also. So let's see now how reaction is. SmackDown is really good, so let's see how good this SmackDown gets the rating. So this is the news that I wanted to share with you. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.